Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Let us start our discussion on nutrition in human beings. Human beings being a very complex multicellular organisms, let us see how the steps of holozoic nutrition is carried out in human beings. So what kind of food human beings take in? So holozoic means they take complex food particles like fruits, vegetables, meat, fish, eggs, pulses. So there are a variety of types of food materials which is taken in by human beings. So here holozoic nutrition involves in 5 steps. The first one is ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. Dear students, we all know in multicellular organisms, cells group to form tissue, tissues in turn form organs, organs again form organ system, and organism is formed. Each step of nutrition is carried out by a specific organ. Each step of nutrition is carried out by a specific organ, so all these steps will be performed. We will now talk about the entire system in human beings which take care of this nutrition part and how do they function. The entire structure which takes care of these 5 steps is known as alimentary canal, also known as digestive tract. So we will talk this alimentary canal in detail. So let's start on discussion on alimentary canal. First of all, canal. It means something tube-like structure. Dear students, this alimentary canal is 9-meter long structure extended from mouth to anus. So you might be wondering that if that tube starts from mouth and ends at anus, but you look at the height of a normal human being, if this tube is 9 meter long, but the height of a person is not greater than that, it can accommodate 9-meter long tube from mouth to anus. So how is it? So how is it, dear students? Actually, this alimentary canal have different parts, and this tube is not a straight tube inside body. It is straight to some extent, and then it gets coiled some other places. So here we will look at the parts of the alimentary canal. So what are the organs which together form the alimentary canal, which is also known as digestive tract? So the first part is mouth, buccal cavity or oral cavity. So the first part is mouth, second one is buccal cavity or oral cavity, the third one is esophagus, number 4 stomach, number 5 small intestines, and large intestines. So there are the different so these are the different parts of the alimentary canal. Mouth means lips where we take food. When we talk about the oral cavity, it is the open space inside our mouth which is surrounded by the jaws and cheeks. We have some open space where we actually put in our food, so that is the buccal cavity. After that is esophagus. It is nothing but food pipe, the pipe which carries food. So this is esophagus. Then is the stomach. Then is the stomach. After that, small intestines, and the small intestines opens into the large intestines. So now you can see that this alimentary canal is initially a tube-like structure. Then it becomes stomach, and then it becomes a very coiled structure, and then it ends up in the large intestines. So these organs together form the alimentary canal or digestive tract. Thank you.